The images remain upsetting for so many people in Southwest Florida. Dr. Denise Torres, an addiction specialist with Lee Health, says she's seeing more elderly patients turn to substance abuse to cope with the devastation from Hurricane Ian.
After a hurricane, people who have lost their homes, financial distress, emotional distress, loss of a loved one.
Whether it be COVID or whether it be Hurricane Ian, does that act as a catalyst and cause more substance abuse?
They have shared a great degree of depression, anxiety, as well as post-traumatic stress disorder.
Lee Health doesn't break down their numbers by age, but from April of last year to March of this year, they conducted more than 24,000 visits with patients who needed mental health and addiction treatment.
The two greatest substances that are most in highest use, number one is alcohol, and opioids are the second.
The problem has been growing nationwide slowly in recent years. For instance, in the last 20 years, the number of drug overdose deaths from senior citizens has quadrupled.
Part of the reason, according to Torres, is the current senior population is made up mostly of baby boomers.
They have much more open attitudes about illicit use. So their lifetime prevalence of use of illicit marijuana, illicit opioids, and just illicit substances overall is essentially comparatively different than any preceding generation.
Torres says some common signs of substance abuse are an increase in falls and cognitive decline. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.